everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Lisha, studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. I am here to explain about the projections of lines and planes from the subject CAD. Introduction to CAD. Computer-aided designs is the use of computer technology to aid in the design and drafting of products and buildings. CAD software allows designers to create precise 2D and 3D modules, visualize concept, and stimulate how designs will perform in the real world. CAD has revolutionized the design process by increasing efficiency, accuracy, and collaboration among design teams. Complex system: how CAD works and its uses in designing. Also sometimes called computer-aided designs and drafting. Using computer-based software to assist in design process is known as computer-aided designs. Various kinds of engineers and designers regularly utilize CAD software. Two dimensions can both be produced using CAD software by making designs simpler to share, review, and stimulate. Principal planes of projection: HP, horizontal plane; VP, vertical plane; RPP and LPP, left profile and right profile. Planes portraits to remember: thickness of XY line is 0.3 mm and thickness of thick line is 0.5 mm. Thickness of thin line is 0.13 mm and the thickness of the point is 2 mm. Thickness of projection lines is 0.13 mm. Inside the angle, the pentagon 150 degree, outer the angle 72 degree. Inside the angle of hexagon is 120 degree and outer angle is 60 degree. Representation: front view A dash, B dash, C dash and D dash. Top view A, B, C, D and side view A double dash, B double dash, C double dash and D double dash. It's in different quadrants. Quadrant number 1, 0 less than theta less than 90. Quadrant number 2, 90 less than theta less than 80 degree. Quadrant number 3, 180 less than theta less than 270. Quadrant 4, 270 less than theta less than 360 degree. Point is 20 mm above HP in the first quadrant. Its shorter distance from XY line is 40 mm and draw the projection and determine its distance from VP. Here is the question they have given: 20 mm which lies in the first quadrant means positive. First go to line option. Now option, click XY line, thickness of must be 0.3 mm and draw an XY line. Now go to text box and press XY line. Press X, type X and Y and VP above the line and HP below the line. Now go to HP, select a point and go to select 0.3 mm of XY and give 20 mm and 90 degrees. And go to line option, then select 0.13 and take a reference line and draw to your right. Now if you want, you can name this as X dash and Y dash. Now go to arc by center point, place at the center of the line which we have drawn now. Now go to the midpoint where both the lines are intersecting and take 40 mm, that is the radius, and angle, now the angle is 45, and press enter. Now go to line option, take 0.13, extend to the arc cut by the 40 mm, and now take a 40-degree line, take a line from the midpoint and extend it where the arc and the line touches each. Now trim the unwanted lines, that is the arc in the extended line. Now go to select option, take any length, take the center point of the where the intersection happens and take any length, and the degree is 45 degree. Press enter. Now take the thickness of 0.3 mm and draw a line from the arc cut and the line joined to the line below of 45 degree. Now extend that line towards your right. Now extend that to top. Now measure the above line and the below line. The above line should be 20 mm and the below line comes around 3.14, like that, 30.14. Now name the given XY line. So let's name it as A dash and B dash. Go to angle between two lines and select this XY line and the angle. Draw then it comes 45 degree. Now let's trim. We know that we should find a side view, so that this is a side view where we have cut an arc. So let's name it as A double dash. A double dash is represented as side view. Go to next question. A line of 70 mm is inclined to HP at 30 degree and to VP at 45 degree in an 15 mm above HP and BP. Draw the projections. Go to line option. Select the thickness of 0.35 mm. Click on a point and drag it to the other point. Make a straight line. Now go to text option. Now take X, write X and type Y. Then above the point we'll name it as VP and below the point as HP. So they have given that 15 mm above HP and in VP above HP means XY line should be drawn 15 above in 0.13 mm drawn above HP, that means in VP. So 15 mm line and take 90 degrees and press enter and drag the line towards XY line. You can use offset. Then go to line. Draw a reference line from the 15 mm to XY line. Now go to text option. Name this as the above line as A. A line 70 mm long inclined to VP at 30 degree and 45 degree to VP. So let's take So 70 mm long line should be drawn both on HP and VP for the angles of 30 degree and 45 degree. Now let's select a line with a thickness of 0.5 mm, that is true length will be 0.5 mm. Now let's select a point that is above 15 mm and drag it to 30 degrees to VP and 45 degrees to HP to like inclination to HP at 30 degree. So let's select a line, draw thickness of 0.5 mm. Now let's move to solids. This is a problem of an equilateral triangle of lamina of 25 mm with side with one of its edge on HP such that the surface of the lamina is inclined to VP. Now draw the projections. Now take the line option, draw a line from one end to another end, draw a straight line. Now take text option, type X and Y from the other side. Now write VP above the XY line and HP below the XY line. Now go to line option, draw, it is a 25 mm triangular lamina with one of its edge, name 25 mm. Now take 25 mm with 0 degree and press enter and take line option 5 mm and we have to draw a triangle with 25 mm. So draw 25 mm and above angle is 120 degree and join the other one. Lamina which is facing like this. So now let's take move option and rotate it towards the side and move it above. So let's take rotate option, then move it to the edge, like edge means the side of the line should be facing HP. I mean it should be perpendicular to HP. So let's rotate the triangle like that. After rotating the angle, let's project the line with 0.13 mm thickness and to the top of XY line, to the XY line, and the tip point also to the XY line. Now let's take the leader option which is facing to XY line, so arrows are towards up. Now let's name A, B, C. Now let's take angle between smart view. Let's measure the angle. It is of 25 degree. 25 line, and take the thickness of 0.5 mm and draw from one point to another point. Now this A is not visible when B is facing. Now if you see from this direction, you're not supposed to see A. So let's write A in bracket. So that is B dash and A dash in bracket. and C dash. C dash is directly visible. Now let's take move option and select these line. Let's select this option because if it doesn't copies, and paste it on the line, put it on the line. Now we have to take rotate option, select one tip to another tip. Now mention the angle above, which is inclined to HP at 60 degree. They have given it as 60 degree to HP, so it should come in VP. So let's take above 60 degree in VP. Now let's take angle between 2 points and measure the angle 60 degree. Now let's project it down with 0.13 mm thickness. After projecting, let's join all the lines with thick point 0.5 mm. Let's name it first A, where the A and the above A dash is intersecting. A, B, C. Now let's select 0.5 mm thickness. Draw from where the line is intersecting. There you have to draw a thick line so that it is visible, and to B where it is intersecting, and join the other point. Now you get the second position of the triangular lamina. Now let's delete the lines which is unwanted below and above. Now it is 60 degree to VP, and that means below XY line, that is, let's take a line, measure of anything, but the angle is 60 degree. Let's give 60 degree and press enter. Select the line and give the thickness of 0.13. Now measure the angle 60 degree. Now select this triangle from the second position. Select it, take move option, select a point which is to be put on this. So let's select B, which is put here. Now let's take rotate option, select that point and the other point 60 degree. Now the third position is almost ready. Now we have to project the line towards up to make the projections. Now so let's select line option with 0.13 thickness and project it top. See towards top as it is the top. Now let's take the thickness of 0.5 mm. Now let's draw from, like, first let's see the intersection points. This here A dash and A are intersecting, so this is A, and B dash and B is intersecting over here, so this is B dash. And now C and C dash is intersecting over here, so C dash. Now take the thickness of 0.5. Thank you for watching my video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.